Now we're going to show you how to replace the particle filter, which is this small filter here. There's a male and female end to this filter, so what we need to do is disconnect by twisting clockwise that end and then unscrew the filter itself. Okay, so that's it removed. Okay, we'll get a replacement filter, and by the way it's designed, it can only go in one way. So we will connect it again by pushing in and screwing the filter in place that way, and then connecting the final connector on. So that's the replacement of the particle filter.